All right, we have ourselves an open-ended. This is a three-parter. Dustin earns $9.80 per hour at his job. Last week, Dustin worked X hours on Thursday and 6 hours on Saturday. Write an expression that can be used to calculate Dustin's earnings on these 2 days. Okay, well, let's do this. On Thursday, he worked X hours. On Saturday, he worked 6 hours. So the total amount of hours that he worked are going to be X plus 6. If he made $9.80 per hour, then $9.80 is going to be multiplied to X plus 6. So I could use that expression if I want to. If you're like, well, could I distribute that out and get 980x plus whatever this is? I don't know what that is. Just say what's 6 times 980. Sure, we could do that too. Any of these work. Now keep in mind, we only want to give one answer. We don't want to give 2 of them and accidentally screw one of them up. So I'm going to circle that and pretend like you didn't exist. All right, bye. Let's do problem B. All right, Dustin's older brother, Jeff, earns 5% more per hour at his job than Dustin earns. All right, so let's do this, okay? Let's find out how much Jeff earns per hour. If Dustin is going to be 5%, I'm sorry, if Dustin's going to be $9.80, then Jeff is going to be $9.80 plus 5% times that $9.80. Now, if you want to, we could turn 5% into a decimal by moving the decimal over twice, filling any circle with a 0. So we have 9.80 plus 0.5 times 980. All right, PEMDAS says we need to do the multiplication first, so let's do that quick in a calculator. All right, that ended up being 49 cents, so 980 plus 49 cents. And then when you add these two together, we find out that Jeff makes $10.29 per hour. How much money in dollars does Jeff earn an hour? Okay, well, show or explain your work. So this is me showing my work. And so I will just wrap this up by saying Jeff earns $10.29 per hour. You don't need to explain if you already show, and this is me showing my work. All right, last but not least, Laura earns 10% more per hour than Dustin. Okay, so quick math, 10% of $9.80 means you move the decimal over 1. So Laura is going to make 98 cents more. Do I need to do the math? I don't know if I need to do the math. This week, Dustin and Laura worked the same amount of hours. Dustin earned $137.20. He calculated the amount Laura earned to be $152.44 because 137.20 divided by 0.90 equals $152.44. Describe the error, in Dustin's work. State the actual amount Laura earned this week as part of your description. All right, so dividing by 90, why is that wrong? Well, this is what they should have done. Laura, we'll put L for Laura, is supposed to be 10% of Dustin's plus Dustin's. Now, what that means is Laura is 10% plus a whole of Dustin's, meaning that Laura is 110% Dustin's. So what we're supposed to do is we know what Dustin earned. What was supposed to be done is we were supposed to, and let me split this out. And first thing, let me write out one more step. 110%, move the decimal over twice. That's 1.1 times D. So instead of $137.20 divided by 0.9, we should multiply 100 or 1.1 times what Dustin made, which is 137.20. So that's the error. The error was dividing 0.90. That's the wrong thing to do. Instead, we're going to multiply 1.1. So let's throw that into our calculator. So 1.1 times 137.20 actually equals 150.92. Okay, so Laura actually earned $150.92. Yeah, man, kind of tricky stuff. But that's our open-ended, and we're done.